Alright, so as you can see, there's a stream of coolant, antifreeze. It wasn't leaking until I shut it off. And it's leaking from what I think is going to be the weep hole of the water pump. So that upper pulley there with the rust on it, that one is the water pump. And pretty sure that it's leaking from the weep hole. Just trying to get my camera up in there, and it's kind of hard, but looks like the stream is coming right from that. So looks like I'm gonna have to change the water pump. Take a look underneath the hood, maybe I can see something a little bit better. It's on a Chevy Express van, 6-liter V8. I'll set this down for a second so I can get my hood propped. Alright, let's see underneath the hood here without taking off the dog cage. Let's see, I got nothing on the top. It's just hard to see in here if there actually was anything on the top leaking, but a few things have to come off to replace it. There's the alternator, but not that. So I'm trying to look in that area where I'm pointing. That's the upper part of the water pump. Even if I took the interior service cover off, what's known back in the day as the dog house, I'm not going to see anything. But that's that. I thought at first the overflow or the reserve was leaking, had a hole in it. I've had these cracked, or I've had the hose on them right here. I've had those leak and run down and make a drip just like that. I was trying to look on this side too, if I can get in there and see. This is hard to see with this, but I have to take some stuff out of the way to get in there to actually see. Well, I'm pretty sure it's the water pump. It's leaking from either the bushing or that weep hole. It was just kind of really hard to actually see the weep hole on the bottom of the water pump, but that's what I'll be changing. Not today. I'll do a video when I go to change it. Yep, that's my situation now. So yeah, it's on a 6-liter Chevy Express cutaway box truck. Water pump leaking. Still leaking. No stop leak's gonna help that one. All right, thanks for watching.